Good morning student. We are going to learn the next part of our lesson, souvenir. I told you the meaning of souvenir means a gift which we brought by visiting some places. And before this we saw that Saili and her friends are visiting the moon. When they reached the moon, there the receptionist gave them some instructions how to roam on the moon. She also told them to visit, to buy souvenirs, means to buy gifts only inside the shops, from only inside the shops. And some instructions, other instructions also she gave them for traveling, for roaming on the moon. Now their 3 days was full of enjoyment. A jam-packed 3 days program awaited the children on the moon. Jam-packed means extremely full. Now the next 3 days were full, extremely full for the students. According to the earth calculations, on the moon there were 15 days of day-night and 15 days of night time. According to the calculation of the earth, on the moon there were 15 days of daylight and 15 days of night time. Means we have 24 hours day. In that we have 12 hours daytime and 12 hours night time. But on the moon the daytime is of 15 days and night time is also of 15 days. The 3 days of the trip were going to be part of the night time on the moon. And the 3 days of the trip means the next 3 days which the students are going to enjoy their trip on the moon. These 3 days were the part of night time. One of the most important programs of the first day was Skywatch. The first day's most important or the most attractive part means Skywatch. On the earth it was usually foggy and the stars were seen rarely and only very faintly. On the earth we are able to see the stars rarely and very faintly, and usually it was foggy. There was no atmosphere on the moon. On the dark background of the moon sky, the stars shone dazzling bright. And there was no atmosphere on the moon. So, the dark background of the moon sky, the stars shone dazzling. The most attractive view was that of the disk of the earth. And the first day's most attractive view was the disk of the earth. In the moon sky, the earth looked 13 times bigger than the moon in the earth sky. In the moon sky, the earth looked 13 times bigger than the moon in the sky. Means the earth looked 13 times bigger than the moon. It was also 70 times brighter, and the brightness of the earth is also 70 times brighter. The earth light fell on the moon. This beautiful, enchanting view made Saili and her friends ecstatic. The earth light fell on the moon. The light of the earth also fell on the moon, and this beautiful, enchanting view made Saili and her friend ecstatic, means extremely happy. They fell asleep feeling happy. And when they enjoyed their first day, they fell asleep feeling happy, excited and comfortable. The second day's attraction was the circus on the moon. And the first day's attraction was Skywatch. Then the second day's attraction was circus on the moon. One unique feature of the circus was the seating arrangement. And the unique feature of the second day's circus was the seating arrangement. The spectators were made to sit in the tent. Spectators were made to sit in the tent and the circus was going on outside. The seating arrangement of the spectators is made in the tent and the circus was going on outside. High jumps and long jumps were the special attraction. Then high jumps and long jumps were the special attraction of the circus. One gymnast jumped 27 meters high. One gymnast jumped 27 meters high. How is it possible? Try to find the answer of this question. How the gymnast jumped 27 meters high. On both the days, beside the main attraction, much time was reserved for visiting the various settlements there. And both the days means the first and the second day, beside the main attraction means beside the Skywatch, beside the circus, some time was reserved for visiting different settlements. It was expected that the student should spend some time for self-study. And this arrangement or this time is reserved because the expectation is that students should spend some time for self-study. The teacher had assigned them the task of writing an essay on how they spend their time on the moon. And their teacher had also assigned them some assignment. They gave them task of writing an essay their travel on the moon, how they spent their time on the moon, which places they visited, what they observed, etc. When they visited different places, what they observed, what they noticed. These are the points of their essay. Sally and her friends had travelled far and wide and had done a lot of sightseeing. Sally and her friends enjoyed their time very much. They travelled far and wide means so much things they saw and had done a lot of sightseeing. And they saw many beautiful things on the moon. Now today's homework is find out the answers of the in-text questions given on page number 26. Find out the answers of given in-text questions page number 26. Thank you.